You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Brown, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my sister, Jazz, she drops her 4 children off at my house all the time. I have 1 child, that's all I had. And so I'm looking to receive some child support for these children.
All right, y'all, buckle up because this case jumps from family drama to full-blown chaos real fast. We've got 2 sisters walking into Judge Vonda B's courtroom, carrying 3 years' worth of tension. One sister has been raising 4 kids that aren't even hers, and the real mom's acting like she deserves a gold medal for dropping off $20 bills every now and then. The energy? Already sideways. The excuses? About to get crazier. And Judge Vonda? She's minutes away from snapping. Let's get into this mess.
Because I'm taking care of them more than she is.
And how many children did you say?
She has 4 children.
And all 4 live with you?
Yes, I'm just gonna say.
Do they or don't they?
They're there all the time, so yes.
Okay, how long have they been living
all
with
the
you?
time?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm talking to her. I'm not talking to you. You will have your opportunity to speak in just a moment, okay?
Right here is the first real red flag. The aunt says the kids are basically living with her full-time, and the mom wants to argue over the word all the time before it's even her turn. Judge shuts that down fast. I'm not talking to you yet. And that attitude? It tells you everything. The person not raising the kids is the only one interrupting. Meanwhile, the person doing the work is calm and respectful. This is the first moment the judge starts clocking the imbalance. Is she defensive or hiding guilt?
Thank you. So, how long have they been living with you?
For about 3 years now.
3 years?
Yes.
That is all the time. Okay. And has your sister given you any type of child support for her kids?
No, she has not. She'll give me $20 here and there, but
$20 for 4 kids?
$20, yes.
What about health insurance? How are these children covered under health insurance?
They do not have health insurance.
Because you won't put them on there.
That's the last outburst from you, okay? Thank you. Health insurance, is it available through your job?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is.
So if I were to order that the children are enrolled in health insurance, you're able to do that through your employer?
Yes, I am. I work for an advertising firm, so
okay.
Yeah, they should be able to do
Do you
that.
know about how much it would cost?
Roughly $250 for all 4.
Okay, $250 for all 4, okay. All right, is there anything else you want to let me know before I move over here?
No, you can talk to her.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. First off, those are her nieces. She never says that when I drop them off.
Those are your kids.
I understand that. But I'm trying to make a living for me and my kids. I'm an upcoming artist. I have to go to clubs every night to make
What kind of
appearances.
artist are you?
I sing and I rap.
I've never heard you.
You okay, well, do you get on
Neither have
Spotify?
I.
Because I'm on there. I can sing for y'all right now.
No, thank you.
Look.
But, I mean, here's the reality.
Now this is where the nonsense begins. Mom says she's an upcoming artist, going to clubs every night. Like that somehow explains abandoning 4 kids for 3 years. And then she literally invites the judge, "You can come, I'm on there." The judge looks at her like she just said she performs on Mars. This is classic deflection. Brag about a dream career to cover up real responsibilities. She's trying to look impressive while the facts say otherwise. Does she believe this excuse, or is it all performance?
The reality of it is, you have 4 children that you need to support.
I
Regardless.
am supporting them.
You're not supporting them, giving them $20.
I give
$20 is not
her
$20. Excuse me. $20 is barely enough to purchase at a fast food restaurant.
Okay, I drop them off with some little Debbie cakes sometimes. Like, they good. It's a
Did you
snack.
really just say that?
They are 5, 4, and 3. Like, they don't need no big old meal or nothing.
5, 4, and 3. You're missing
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
You don't even know
I have
how old they are?
twins.
Oh, okay.
They're both 5.
2, 5. So you expect her to support 4 children of Little Debbie snacks? Is that what you're telling me
provide
here
the Little
today?
Debbie snacks. So how is she supporting my Little Debbie snacks?
This moment is wild. Mom proudly says she drops off Little Debbie cakes, as if that replaces real meals. Judge immediately shakes her head, because those kids are 5, 4, 3, and a baby. They're not snack age, they're full meal age. And then mom miscounts her own kids, like she forgets how many she even has. That right there tells Judge Vonda everything she needs to know. She's not present, not aware, and not providing. Is this lack of awareness or straight up neglect?
And you think there's nothing wrong with what you're saying, right?
No. I'm doing what I can.
Well, you need
I
to sing
am.
some more because obviously you're underpaid and you need to be paying your
Ma'am,
sister.
I'm upcoming, so I can be underpaid. I'm getting whatever I can get. I do nails on the side too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how much are you making with doing nails?
I mean, whenever I have a client, like every day, maybe 300 a week, maybe that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much of that do you give your sister besides $20?
Whenever I
Zero.
get that, I give her a little bit of something.
No, that is unacceptable. And the fact that you came in this courtroom and actually admitted that is very sad.
Admit it.
And you have not been supporting your children. You know what? I'm not about to play this
I
game with
have
you.
been.
Obviously, you came here to waste my time. You have not been supporting them with $20 and Little Debbie snacks. And don't say
She's
that
talking
again.
about a couple
No, ma'am.
times $20.
Oh, I'm
A
sorry.
couple of times
I put
is a
food
couple of times.
in their mouth
If
when
you
they're home
She
with me.
drops off.
hold on 1 second. Excuse me.
Here's the moment Judge Vonda snaps for the first time. Mom tries to defend giving $20 in snack cakes, and the judge calls it sad, and she means it. You can hear the disappointment. Then the mom gets irritated because she feels judged in a courtroom. The judge lays it out. You came here unprepared, unfocused, and somehow believing your sister owes you childcare. The tension flips hard. This is where the judge realizes she's dealing with entitlement, not struggle. Is this argument or pure denial?
It is not her responsibility to take care of your children. If you are going to
I
leave your,
understand that.
you obviously don't understand because you're not listening to what I said. If you are going to leave your children with your sister, first of all, it needs to be an agreement that she even wants to take in 4 additional children.
If she didn't want them, she could say that. She's never said that.
No, it doesn't
I've
matter.
definitely
These are
said
your.
that.
So you know what's going to happen today? You're going to pay her some child support, and it's going to be more than $20. I can assure you that. Now, you said you provided this.
This section gets dark. Judge explains, slowly, that it is not the aunt's job to raise her children. Mom still doesn't get it. She keeps arguing, talking over the judge, insisting her sister never says no. But that's not consent, that's exhaustion. The judge finally spells it out. Taking 4 kids is a choice, not an obligation. And mom genuinely acts like her free childcare is guaranteed for life. This moment exposes everything. The lack of boundaries, the lack of gratitude, the lack of reality. Is she clueless or entitled?
Never mind. This tax return, who did this?
One of her boyfriends.
No.
One of her
He
It
boyfriends.
was
does
my
that.
last baby daddy mafia. Okay, he did it for me.
Oh,
He been doing
okay.
taxes for years.
Right, and he reported $1,000 a year.
Yeah, about that.
That's all you make.
Yeah, just about that.
Okay. Let me go ahead and calculate these numbers because you obviously came here to waste my time. So at $30,000, I have your gross calculated at $2,500. Excuse me? Are you painting your nails in my courtroom?
Yeah, I didn't have time because I had to be here
Go
this early in the
ahead
morning.
and put the top on that nail polish because I need you to pay attention when I read these numbers off to you. Because
know
I
what
can assure
make.
you, I can
need
assure
to know
you.
what I make.
This is the disrespect peak. Judge pulls out her tax return and finds she made $30,000 last year, plenty to help support her kids. And instead of listening, she literally starts painting her nails in court. Judge stops her instantly. Take the top off that polish. That's the moment the judge's patience fully collapses. Painting your nails while discussing child support is next-level irresponsibility. It's giving, I'm here physically, but mentally I checked out years ago. Is this confidence or total avoidance?
I can assure you it's going to be more than $20. How about that?
That's
Your Honor,
fine.
you see what I have to deal with?
I definitely see what you have to deal with, but you know, I can't necessarily control how your sister behaves. That is up to her, but we can make sure that you are receiving more than $20, okay?
I appreciate that.
So at $2,500 gross, that brings your net to $2,004. And you said $250? Okay. So your child support obligation for 4 children is going to be $701 plus.
$701. I can't afford that. I got gas.
Oh, now
I
you're
got
paying
food,
attention.
I got a.
Oh, okay. So
Whatever.
$701
Yeah.
plus the $250 comes out to $951 a month.
This moment is where her whole attitude finally bites back. Judge calculates the real child support, $701 plus $250 insurance, total $951 a month. And just like that, her whole upcoming artist story collapses. She panics instantly. All the confidence, all the excuses, all the jokes gone. Now it's, I can't afford that. But the judge doesn't blink. You're up and coming. Eventually you'll be up. That's the coldest reality check of the whole case. Was she delusional? Or just hoping no one would ever hold her accountable?
That's what you're going to pay your sister.
I don't have that, ma'am. So
Well, you know what?
I don't
It
know,
doesn't
whatever
matter.
you need to
So
do.
why
That's
do
what
I see you on
ordered.
That's
Instagram
not gonna
popping
happen.
bottles at the club? Why do I see that?
Guess what? Guess what?
Cause
It doesn't
guys
even
buy
matter.
that for me.
It doesn't. You know why? Because you're up and coming, which means one day you're going to be up and you're going to be coming to pay this $951 in child support. Is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
I ain't got that. I already told you that. So,
Okay,
I mean,
so you don't
can
have
write
any
it
other
up, but-
questions? All right. You all are dismissed.
And that's the full meltdown arc right there. A mom who walked in with swagger ended up facing the actual cost of raising 4 kids, something her sister has been doing alone for years. Judge Vonda cut through every excuse, every distraction, every attitude shift. In the end, this wasn't about money. It was about responsibility, respect, and reality. And reality hit hard. If this case hit you the way it hit me, drop a comment and subscribe for more wild, real courtroom moments we break down every week.